Hi, myself I am Yogesh Pandey. I am teaching in ICSE schools for more than 11 years. I have done my MSc, then B.Ed. Today I am going to start with the machines chapter of ICSE Class 10 Physics. So let's see what is machines exactly. Now machines are simple devices which helps us to overcome the resistance. Then they help us as a force multiplier, speed multiplier, and they are also used in changing the direction of the effort. So these are the three applications or uses of the machines. Now there are two different types of machines, like first is the inclined plane and the second is the lever. So now inclined plane has got two parts, that is screw and wedge, and the lever is just a simple rod. So lever is a rod. It is a very simple device, a lever. So there are two types, as I said, one is inclined plane and one is lever. But in ICSE syllabus, we are going to study only about the lever. So there are three classes of lever, that is class 1, class 2, class 3. So let us study about that. That is class 1 lever. Then there is another class, and that is class 2 lever. And the third is class 3,